Introducing Sharp 7 Shields for your refrigerator. Worried about bumpy rides during delivery of your Sharp refrigerator? What will happen if it drops? Don't worry. Sharp refrigerators are tested to withstand vibration and able to endure the simulation successfully. It has also passed the drop test without sustaining any damage. 7 Shields ensures your item is delivered safely. Trying to place the refrigerator on an uneven surface? The refrigerators keep their balance without falling during the stability test, even when tilted 10 degrees with the doors open. The feet are also adjustable to ensure both left and right doors are aligned. 7 Shields assures a stable placement convenience. You can use multiple appliances simultaneously without being concerned of voltage fluctuations. Sharp refrigerators function effectively within 100 to 300 voltage range, protected by Sharp 7 Shields. Troubled by unwanted visitors at night, biting off your refrigerator's electrical components? Fear not, the parts are protected from rat bites. What's more, our electrical components are also heat resistant. 7 Shields protects its refrigerator from pest and fire. Are you worried about humid weather and damp surroundings causing rust to your refrigerator? Sharp protects its refrigerator with multiple layers of anti-rust coatings. It's even lab certified by saltwater test conducted for 10 consecutive days for durability against humid air. 7 Shields ensures your refrigerator is anti-rust. Regularly closing and opening the refrigerator doors throughout the day and night? Sharp refrigerator doors are highly durable and offers a 10-year warranty for its compressor. 7 Shields guarantees endurance and usage. Sharp protects refrigerator with the highest level of Japanese quality. 7 Shields, the protection you can trust.
Sharp, be original.